Here you see a very simple program that simply creates a rectangular area, the pinky one, and we call this the window, sometimes the canvas. And we will see the effects of the program, which is on the upper left part, line by line, what does it do? Because every line, unless it's a comment, does something or tells the computer to do something. This line simply tells Python that there are some keywords that they are not part of the core Python program, Python interpreter, and the meaning or what these lines, these commands rather, will do are explained in a library, in this case the graphics library. And simply this line says, before you do anything, go to the graphics library and bring in all those keywords that have been interpreted or explained or developed in the graphics library. This line simply says, here I'm going to define what I want you computer to do. That's the meaning in the sense of the DEF. And the name of the program, or it is called MKWIN. It has no special meaning. That's what I decided to call the program. And it is followed by a set of parentheses. And the set of parentheses is followed now by a colon to indicate that after the colon is the beginning of the Python commands. This line has been indented to the right, and this is an indication that those lines belong to the MKWIN program. The left side, the WN, the left part of the assignment, it says, I want you Python to create an object, to create something, and that object, that something, it will be named WN. That will be the name that I'm giving to this object that you are going to create. Then is the assignment sign, and then to the right of the assignment sign it says GraphWin, which is a command in the graphics library, and simply what this GraphWin will do will draw a rectangular area as you see in this example with a pink kind of background. There is a parenthesis following the GraphWin, and the parenthesis can be empty or can have some stuff inside. The stuff inside the parentheses, usually we call them arguments. In this example, we have CIS 102, and that is why on the window in this area here we see CIS 102. Then we have comma 600, and the 600 tells me how many pixels will be the width of that window, and the 200 tells the compiler how big or how long will be the size, the vertical size. So in other words, CIS 102 from here creates this part, 600 tells how big to be this way, 200 tells how big to be that way. So what you enter within the quotation marks, it will be your choice, and how big of a window will be, will be your choice as well. This line tells the compiler, the interpreter, that to the object that we have named WN, which is a rectangular window, make the background color, that's the meaning of the set background, it's a method or an attribute if you want, make that color, and inside the parentheses we tell what the color we would like to be. In this example we say it's light pink. Of course, there is a list of colors, right? And you cannot arbitrarily put any color you wish there, but there is a big gamut of colors that you may go and select. And that, in a sense, terminates this example, this program, and simply the line below, it says just run the program that we have named mkwin parenthesis parenthesis. And that's all it is.